Hi, and welcome to Advanced Payroll Management System developed in C#. Now guys, let me show you how this works. First of all, let's start with the pay slip in here. We can change the font color of this pay slip, so just click on the tool, select color. There we go. And we can also change the font size to whatever we decide. So let's go for 22. There, see 22 seems to be too large, and let's reduce it back to something a little bit more manageable. Let's go for maybe about 16 or 14. There we go. Now the other thing that we can do is we can copy and paste it wherever we want to paste it, and click on paste there. And we can then go to file, clear this out, open up any other data that we intend to open. So let's say we want to open up, let's go for Ken. Okay, just enter Ken's details in there, and we can save if we want to save, or add new data and click on save. Okay, there's a lot that we can do here, and we can also save the whole data straight onto the database. So let's do that. So to do that, I'm going to reset the whole project entirely. Let's start all over and come right here. Let's select one of the employee in there and enter the wages of this employee. There we go, and just click on payment. Now let's change this around. Let's modify that. Come in here, change the font to something a little bit darker, and reduce the font. I'm going to come in here, change the color of that to black. There we go. So it's more manageable now. And we can print. Click on print. Either you click on print here, or you can go to file, print. That is it right there. Okay, close that. Or we go to file, click on print. There we go. All you just need to do is to select the print in there. Unfortunately, I don't have any printer on my system, and that is how this system works. As you can see, you enter the city waiting allowance. That's the money you get for living in the city, your basic salary, overtime, and everything is add up. Deduction include tax, pension, student loan, and the state pension, and so on. It's all deleted, and what you end up is net pay. And here, this is individual information. All we then need to do now is I'm going to add this data straight onto the database. If I click on, let's open up the database. That is the database. And now, as you can see, we don't have the details of Tony Montana in there. We only have that of Mary Allen. So I'm going to click on Tony Montana's details now. You see where we have add new. Click on that. There we go. Record save in the database. So click on OK. So let's see. We won't be able to see it now, not until we refresh the database. So I'm going to exit out and reopen the database. There we go. That's Tony Montana's details in there. And that is how the system works. It's a very brilliant system, guys. Just for your information, this is just an overview, and the full tutorial will be out shortly. Bye for now.